Good. Then after this, we'll probe him. What do you think? Yeah?
Yeah. What about his friend?
Huh?
What about his friend?
I don't know if his friend's interested or not. It is off now, yeah. We can ask him. Because his friend's on our team too, yeah? I think my camera battery died. I knew I should have swapped that. You good, Paul? Okay. Yep, my battery's toast. Is your buddy wanting to join the team too, or did he not come with them, or?
My other guy that was here?
The guy in all black?
Oh,
Or do you have a different guy that you were with?
I was originally with my one good friend, Devin. The really tall dude, blue shirt.
Ah, okay, yeah. Is he interested in joining the team too, or?
I mean, he's interested in getting into airsoft again. I'm not exactly sure he might.
Okay. Cool. So far we're liking what we're seeing. I'll tell you, he shot you.
Yeah, I know. I felt that in the back. Like,
we always integrity check our players, so that's one thing we do. You pass that. So actually, I just realized I need to make this my oh shit mag, because I got like 4 rounds left in that puppy. I got 3 left. Yeah, I did a lot of shooting that round.
I did, but I got a lot of kills all in one mag.
That's good, at least.
The worst part is, yeah, he got me, and I'm like, oh, I was just still moving a little bit, and the guy from the doorway I'm like,
oh, dude, somebody scared the fuck out of me in the maze. Like, I bang killed a buddy of his, I shot another dude, and then he pops out from right below, like literally this close. I'm like, oh fuck, I almost kicked him in the face.
Me and Tony 2K'd each other's twice.
Yes, we did. Well, actually, technically, I killed myself, and then. Oh, hey, here we go. Hey, get up off the phone. Do you come to play or come to play on your phone? Mm-hmm. 2, 1. Let's go. Ooh, I got their 6. Moving with you. Something ain't right. Yep, here they come.
They're shooting at the solar.
Got one. You get him? I'm gonna check that out. Watch your 6, Tobin. Nope, I didn't say it full.
Accidentally shot you.
Oh, did you?
Through the hallway.
Oh, you got me?
Like just now.
Oh, no. Oh, it's okay. I'll
Oh, you
take
know I
it.
took the hallway.
Dude, yeah, I do.
Because I wasn't sure if I hit you, like I was shooting at you.
Oh, okay. I was wondering. I'm like, I don't think it got me, but. Too many people. You and me. This way. Let's go. My battery's toast, so. All right. I know it's gonna sound silly, but let's get up on the tower building. Yeah?
Game 3, round 2.
Yes. I don't think your camera's on though.
It is.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, that's right.
Stay better,
Yeah. I think hotel.
Alright.
I think there's a guy in hotel. Do we want to go around and go to maze? Or what do we want to do?
You like my shotgun?
In the middle? Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. That's friendly. That's friendly. Fuck it, let's go up the middle. Oh, hit! That worked really great. I got shot in the ass. Oh, I got peppered, man. That hurt. That hurt real bad. You good, Matthias? What? You good? Great. Did you give Kevin your gun?
Yeah, he wanted to use it.
Okay. All right, let's move up. Watch where you're pointing that thing. Sorry, ref. You got one directly on the left side outside the police station, right when you walk out. He's moving in. Yeah, you should take the hit on that, whoever shot him. I got one by the hotel. Yeah, that was rough. You alive?
Yeah.
Hold up, yep, they're coming in, they're breaching now.
Where?
They're getting ready to breach the front door. Seriously, yep. We got one up by the coffee house. Oh, that's friendly, that's friendly. Move up, move up, move up. We got friendlies, yep.
Yeah.
It was moving the other way, that's why I was like, huh? Come on, poke your head, poke your head. Alright, then let's start pushing up on the other side. Let's start pushing the other side, we're getting too close. Got too many people on this side. You taking fire? Taking fire? Behind the tree. Got it. Yep. Looks like he's down. Let's move up. Win the corner, win the corner. Good. I'm gonna cross. All right, if you want, we can push up. Nope, never mind. Hit! Ow! Right in the finger. Crosshead. Ouch. That was right on my fucking knuckle. Those knuckle shots are the worst, man. Woo! That's game over.